Welcome back to my channel. It's Leah with SkinBeautifulrx, and I'm so excited to introduce to you guys today something new to our website and new to really the industry, because this is a brand that is breaking the skincare mold regarding technology, innovative formulations, and product launches. Today we are talking about Pavise. Before I share with you this cutting edge information that I have been learning, I wanted to tell you guys, and you may have already heard this over the last few months, a buzzword we're hearing in the industry, and that is biotech. Biotech is more than just a flashy word, and it's something majority of our newer brands are really coming out with. And this is actually really important because it's scientific, cellular disruption, and that's the part of the innovation and being able to treat on a cellular level. And this is because their technologies are actually coming out of a lab. As the world shifts, we are seeing sustainability, we are seeing cleaner formulations, seeing innovation using fermentation and tissue cultures, and actually artificial intelligence. These results are speaking for themselves. You can see this in Pavise, you can see this in Plated, and a lot of our other brands that we already have or are launching soon. I'll tell you guys about Pavise because this is biotech and it is going to be changing the industry. So Pavise has really set out to change our relationship with sun care, or SPF. Creating new technology and new products unique in our industry. And more importantly, they are improving our patient's outcome. So Pavise is using something brand new to the industry. This is all their own, and this is DiamondCore technology. DiamondCore technology focuses on two major needs, which is stimulating fibroblasts and promoting collagen production by bringing other molecules to the skin. A lot of people, when I say oh, this is amazing because it's helping bring fibroblasts or it's stimulating fibroblasts, a lot of people don't know what that means. And what that means to us is it's stimulating collagen, it's stimulating elastin regrowth, it's stimulating our own natural growth factors, hyaluronic acid, and our extracellular matrix. So when I say it stimulates fibroblasts, just know immediately that is the key to healthy, strong, taut, youthful skin. And as we age, we experience a lot of things regarding aging and the loss of, and one of those is cellular senescence. Cellular senescence negatively affects our healthy fibroblasts. So think of it like this: if our healthy fibroblasts are like a nice, new, healthy, shiny car, and we're driving it down the road and we come into traffic. Now, surrounding us, and we have to go down to a really low speed. All around us on the highway are old junky cars, stone trucks, and it's beating our car up. Trash is flying out of pickup trucks, stones are hitting us, and what those cars are that are around us that are attacking us are our unhealthy cells. By the time we get out of traffic, away from all of these other cars that are damaging us, by the time we get out, our car doesn't look shiny, it doesn't look brand new, we're covered in damage. And that is exactly what cellular senescence does to our healthy fibroblasts. It breaks it down, it targets it, and it makes it unhealthy and makes it look old and broken down. Metaphor was basically exactly what happens as we age to our cells and our healthy fibroblasts regarding cellular senescence, and why it's so important for products to actually treat this aging process that happens in our skin. Now let's break down DiamondCore technology. So when we talk about DiamondCore technology, there is an important thing we need to talk about, which is reactive oxygen species, or ROS, which are molecules capable of independent existence. And they contain at least one oxygen atom, one or more unpaired electrons. So how does this relate to our skin? Well, our skin actually has pairs of electrons, and when the skin becomes damaged, one of the electrons ends up floating around on its own and starts breaking down our collagen. And that's really what happens with cellular senescence. And then with the DiamondCore technology, the DiamondCore technology comes in, will remove that disruptor completely, so it no longer has the ability to cause harm. With that, it actually decreases the signs of aging and has the ability to restore compromised skin barriers and neutralizing 80% of ROS. In addition to that, the molecules in the DiamondCore technology are designed to allow better absorption into the cells of your other skincare. With the increase of fibroblasts due to the DiamondCore technology, the disruptor being able to neutralize ROS, and with the slowing or stopping of cellular senescence, clients saw an improvement in collagen by 46%. That's just the use of sunscreen. This sunscreen, the Pavise sunscreen, saw 46% improvement of collagen with just the application once a day. Additionally, tests showed that the Pavise SPF also had 5 times better spectrum coverage from UVA, UVB, and HEVL, high energy visible light. Importantly is who can benefit from this technology, and that is actually people with an impaired skin condition such as rosacea, acne, atopic dermatitis, and people who experience melasma and hyperpigmentation, because the DiamondCore technology actually has the ability to stop the heat shock protein that affects melanin production. In clinical studies, of skin and rosacea looked better and healthier and had less inflammation within 2 weeks. 3 months, you will have noticeable real results regarding redness, regarding inflammation, regarding the health of your skin's barrier, moisture, hydration, and you're just going to look younger, and it's going to target melasma and pigment. A lot of my clients who also experience burning with the application of SPF or tingling or sensitivities could also and can use Pavise SPF because it is perfect for sensitive skin. They don't get the itching, the rashes, the redness, or the sensitivities. Pavise SPF can also use immediately post-procedure to help calm inflammation and of course protect your delicate skin from the sun. And it's perfect for acneic skin. So people who typically don't want to use SPFs because it breaks them out, all clinical subjects in the study said they had no issues with acne when utilizing the Pavise SPF. Speaking of their SPF or their hero product, this is their Dynamic Age Defense or their SPF. I feel like SPF really doesn't lend itself to what it is. It is a Dynamic Age Defense. This has been scientifically proven to not only be an SPF 50 to block skin from harmful rays, but it also has the ability to regenerate damaged skin, eliminate 80% of ROS, and it's so important that we neutralize those crazy electrons in our skin that cause damage. This reduces 80% of those. And this provides the highest level of protection against UVA and UVB and visible light. Cleanser is going to be a 1-step, 2-step cleanse. This will completely remove your mineral SPF, deep clean pores. It's great for sensitive skin, and I really like it for normal to oily skin because it also has a light acid mix that's going to help completely resurface the skin, but so gently that even if you have rosacea, you can use this. If you guys have been watching or following along with me, you know I have all of their lip products, which I'm wearing one right now. This is an SPF lip oil 30. And what's really cool about it, not only is it like clean, it has really pigmented color, it's safe in the sun, but it actually helps the migration of lip filler, which I know for a lot of people, especially lately, has been such a huge issue with dissolving lip filler. This actually stops the migration of it, which is so amazing. It will also make your lips appear fuller, look fuller, more hydrated and plump. Lastly, I don't have it with me right here, but they have a super cool UV camera that every single person should have carried around in their purse, in their car, in their wherever on them to make sure you have a sufficient coverage of SPF. And that tool to be so important in the protection against skin cancer and of course all of these other skin conditions. So I hope this video was so helpful on why we carry Pavise the amazing science, technology, and biotech that is bringing to our industry and why it's so exciting. And I cannot wait to see the new product launches because this is a brand new brand and we are so thrilled to have DiamondCore technology. Let me know what questions you have below and I'll see you guys next time.